Wow, so delicious. Oh hey guys, welcome. We are enjoying some wonderful duck soup with coconut milk that Hoi just prepared for us. But let me tell you how it all started. And it all started with a trip to the local market. So let's begin.
There's a lot of activity going on.
90% of Cambodian people, they going out for breakfast. They don't cook at home.
Oh, they come here for breakfast?
Everywhere around.
Wow, this is unusual. This is cow skin. Not something we normally consume. Oh, I remember those.
It seems be like Western people, they going to the supermarket. So we coming here, we get everything from here.
You'll find a lot of very interesting food in a typical market. Like this is called fish paste, and it's basically raw meat that's been sitting for a number of days, and then it's been mashed and salted, and just a crazy mix basically, and it's pretty stinky, I can tell.
And now I would like to show you about Cambodian sweet that we're making from cassava. That one from mega cassava and coconut milk, palm sugar, we mix together and to make the dessert. That one is a rice jelly, and it's a sticky rice we make from the rice, palm sugar again. So all Cambodian sweet mostly we use with the palm sugar and coconut milk.
Okay. If you guys don't mind eating insects, then you might be interested in eating some crickets. Okay, so we came here to buy a duck because we're going to be cooking a duck. I think Hoi has decided which duck he wants to buy. So Hoi,
Yep.
how much was the duck?
It is 7 USD. One magloman, magloman kami. 1 kg, 1.5 kilogram. Cái vô tận tí số thay mấy cười cùng bền mà. It is a tamarind to make a soup.
Tamarind.
Yeah, tamarind.
Tamarind, okay. And what's the other thing?
And this kalanga.
What's the name?
Kalanga.
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 Okay.
Ginger family. Red onion.
Red onion, okay.
Red onion.
Oh, chili pepper and black pepper.
Yeah, black pepper.
Oh, you bought some coconut milk.
Yeah, coconut milk.
Well, did some shopping at the market, and now we're going to Hoi's house. And we have arrived. Got your groceries, you got your duck. Ready for the day, right?
Ready for today.
Yes.
So now we're going to get a lemongrass.
So we got to get some lemongrass.
And the neighbor, if they need something, they just come and around our home, and then they looking something they need, they will get it.
Okay.
Sharing. Countryside is different from the town. They like to sharing.
That's what we have.
Lemongrass.
It's nice having everything in your garden.
Every house is they grow something different.
So you can go to your neighbors.
Yeah, be sharing.
Got all the ingredients
You
that
know,
we didn't
from
have.
here. And now we go to get a holy basil.
A leaf of a banana tree?
No, the tree.
What are you going to use it for?
Eating. Eat with duck. It can be slightly, and then we eat with the duck soup. Smell it?
Yeah, smells like mint.
Yep.
You guys thought I came here just to eat? It's not true. Came here to be part of the cooking process. Oh, pretty good technique you got. It's your turn.
Okay, so we finished with different vegetables. Now we're gonna cook duck.
That's duck.
So there's your duck.
We eat everything. The head, the
Yeah.
neck, and the feet. Heart, big heart. Woohoo! Now we start to cook. Now we're starting. Okay.
Sunflower oil.
Yes. Palm oil.
Do not forget to drink water. It's hot outside.
It's very hot now.
Duck meat goes inside, okay?
And then we mix with our spicy.
Fish paste.
We need to put in some smell. Feel.
It's the one we saw at the market today.
Yeah, smelly.
Yeah. Very smelly, right?
Very unusual and kind of strong fishy smell, you know? Yeah. But you like it?
Yeah,
Oh, okay. Yeah, very, very fishy. And it's raw fish
raw fish.
that's been sitting for 2 weeks.
Yeah. Okay, that's it.
What you doing now? Salt in it?
Yep. Fish sauce. And palm sugar. We never
sugar,
we
right?
never forget with the palm sugar.
How long is it going to be cooking?
About 30 minutes.
About 30 minutes.
30 minutes to cook it.
So, what's going on, man?
It's put tamarind in. You get a sour. Now we put fresh coconut milk we buy this morning. So we need like 10 or 15 minutes more and then ready. Smells so good with coconut milk. Yummy, yummy. Hot chili.
One of Hoy's brothers is a tuk-tuk driver, so this is his tuk-tuk.
Is the beer?
Oh, you know what? I'll take a beer.
Yeah.
Wow, what kind of beer is that? Is that local beer?
Local beer.
Sounds great.
You smell the fruit?
I think I smell something. I think the food might be ready.
Food is ready. Duck soup ready.
Duck soup with coconut milk. Cheers, guys.
Cheers.
Cheers. Good to meet you. I think it's my turn to finally try it. It's got so much flavor, and that's what I like about it. Because of all the ingredients,
Yeah.
each one of them adds a little bit to the mix. Why do you guys always, cheers, chop
Yeah.
the bones? Why you never like,
Skip the bone out.
yeah.
We eat this because the bone is more flavor.
Oh, okay.
Eat together. When we cook with the bone,
Right.
that means they get more flavor.
So
that's
even
why,
even the ribs,
yeah,
you
the rib,
you prefer to break the bones
yeah, break the bone.
instead of separate them.
Yeah.
Yeah,
We
because
make
you get more
cookie
flavor with that. You think it's get more flavor. Okay,
And the people in the countryside,
right.
we prefer to eat something is from the village. They don't like the chicken from the farm. Chicken from farm is fat,
Yeah,
but not tasty.
not tasty.
Not tasty. Chicken from the village, the duck from the village, is more tasty. Yeah.
Bạn máy còn bạn.
What's that? Đây là hồng nhám.
Oh, you want to give me that chili
I
again?
give you a hot chili again and tasty with the hot chili.
Okay.
It's more.
You're this hungry.
It's very hungry. I cannot stop.
A hungry
because we have
Cambodian
very
boy.
good smell and tasty and hot chili.
Oh.
Let's talk about, I wanted to ask you how life has changed in Cambodia since year 2010?
Yep. So I would like to talk before 2000.
2000, okay.
Yeah, before 2000. So before 2000, most our people, we do not see much about tourism.
No tourism.
So we have but less.
Okay.
But after 2000, we have more tourism. And it's the year that changing life of the people in Cambodian. Our country, we have everything. Ancient temple,
Yes.
Buddhist temple, the freshwater lake we call Tonle Sap is the biggest lake in Southeast Asia.
Okay.
It's a freshwater. And the nature, the beach,
Yeah.
and the royal palace, the king.
Yes.
How may I help you, baby? Huh? Ba về càng nghe tí xin. Okay?
I see the difference how, like, my body reacting to heat and your body You're not sweating.
I'm not sweating.
I'm sweating.
Yeah. midday it's very hot.
Middays, oh, unbearable.
Yep.
Yeah, I'm so thankful I'm staying at a hotel with an air-conditioned room.
Yeah.
Oh, cheers to that. Cheers to technology. So a funny thing I noticed is that local people, especially local ladies,
Yep.
they try to cover up their bodies so they stay like, their skin doesn't get much tan.
Yes.
So they're like light-skinned. And why is that?
So here, if you get a white skin, that means you're working in office with
Yeah, you can afford it. Yeah, you can afford to stay in the building,
looking
air
nice,
conditioned.
looking good.
You're probably in the car.
Yeah, in the car.
Yeah, not on the motorcycle.
Yeah,
Yeah.
not on the scooter. So all the girls, they're looking like the nice boy with the white skin, but the brown skin like me, no one look at me like
No
that.
one looking at you. I come from Russia, and it's the opposite in Russia.
Yep.
So if you're really pale,
Yep.
in Russia it means you take no vacations. But if you take 2-3 more vacations a year,
Yeah.
and Russians mostly go to warmer places like,
Yeah.
and so they get tan. If you're well tanned,
Yeah.
that means you're well traveled, and that means you have a little bit of money.
Yep.
So it's the opposite. That's just
It's
funny
a
how it
bit-
works. I like how your house is standing next to your mom's house.
Yes.
It's like a family
Yeah.
estate. Yeah,
Everyone around.
yeah. I saw that tuk-tuk living today. Was that your brother?
He's my older brother.
Your older
tuk-tuk.
brother? He went to work?
Yeah. He's
So-
a tuk-tuk driver.
Right, but he's not just a tuk-tuk driver. He had some, he sells stuff from his tuk-tuk, right?
Yeah, he's
So he's a vendor.
local noodle, fried noodle.
Oh,
Yeah. And meatball.
okay.
Yep.
So he cooks food in the house,
Yeah.
and then he goes to town
Yeah.
to sell it.
He's next to here.
Oh, he
In
also
the
lives
village,
next door. Okay.
In the village.
Okay,
We're
cool,
not
cool.
going to the town. Just at the
Oh,
corner.
just in the village.
Yeah, in the village.
Okay,
On the main road,
all right.
at the corner.
And so a lot of people would buy from him instead of cooking at home.
It's just for snack.
Oh, just snacks.
Snack, yeah.
Okay, okay.
Just fried noodle with beef
Right.
and the meatball with
Yeah.
the vegetable. That's it.
Beer party. Look at you. I like some of your ideas about helping each other out and sharing
Yeah.
with your, close people, and how you helped out some of the people during the COVID times, because you also have a lotus farm and a rice paddy, and so people were surprised that besides cycling, you also had,
Cycling guide,
Another-
but we have right to sharing to the friends.
yeah. So people were surprised you also have a rice paddy.
Yeah. Because I didn't tell them.
Yeah.
But when COVID time, everyone starvation. We need the food to eat.
And you had food.
I have food and then I sharing to my friend and to my neighbor.
Yeah.
I have not much, but a bit to my friend, a bit for me, a bit for my family. Keep our life away from COVID now.
Exactly.
We are safe, and my family, we are safe from COVID.
Very true.
We spend more time in the field more than going to the town.
Wow.
So we are safe for family. Happy wife, happy life.
Happy wife, happy wife. Okay.